All right, this is a quick video on replacing your tide clock mechanism. So what you're going to do first is remove the center cap. I just use my fingernails and just work them under the center cap and pull up a little bit of pressure and the cap comes right off. Second, you'll just want to rock the needle back and forth while gently pulling, and the needle will come right off. Third, there's a little retainer nut right here. It's 11 millimeter. I'm just using an 11 millimeter socket with my hand. I don't even need the ratchet, but just place it on the nut and turn it counterclockwise. And it loosens right off. Remove the nut. Then you should be able to just lift the clock up and the mechanism will come right out. Place your washer aside. And it's just the opposite for putting it back together. Place it in so the battery is facing the bottom of the clock. Put your washer on top. Then your nut. And you can just hand tighten your nut. I take a socket, 11 mil, or an 11 mil wrench, or even a pair of pliers. Needle nose pliers work pretty good. And just snug it up a little bit. Then to put the needle on, rock it while applying a little bit of pressure. Then the cap. And if you look right inside, you'll see there's a little, I don't even know what you'd call it, a little divot. Anyway, the hole in this cap lines up with the divot. And just pushes on. Like that. And if you have any questions or concerns, just send me a message.